Gardening the right way. Gardening is as advantageous from a mental perspective as it is on an ecological level. Gardening can assist us to obtain a sense of self-sufficiency and calmness that is tough to duplicate with other routines. By following the ideas in this video, even an amateur garden enthusiast can rapidly advance in establishing fantastic gardening abilities, along with the comfortability that comes with it. Vegetable water makes a terrific fertilizer. Anytime you steam or boil veggies to consume, reserving the cooking water as a fertilizer is very important. This water is chock-filled with nutrients and will offer a great, healthy increase to your garden. Ensure the water is completely cooled initially, because very hot water can burn and even kill plant roots. Do not plant big shade trees in the yard in between the pathway and the curb. Big trees have large root systems. These roots can crawl beneath the walkway, lifting and breaking the pathway pavers. The pathway can't be fixed appropriately without eliminating the tree roots, which would harm the tree. Smaller-sized decorative trees will do less damage. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know anytime we release a new video. And also, let us know what you think about this video and we will be glad to respond as fast as we can. Suggestions and comments are welcome in the comment section below. Start your plants from cuttings to conserve loads of cash. Plants are pricey nowadays. Many, nevertheless, may be started by picking clippings from different plants. All that is needed for some is simply putting the cut ends in a glass of water or nursing pot. For the harder types, simply dip completions in some rooting hormonal agent and press them into some moist sand. A crucial element to having a terrific garden is to fence it. In lots of locations, the wildlife will take in the veggies and fruits as quickly as they grow, yielding little or no harvest. An excellent fence will not just stay out the wildlife, however, it will stay out the community kids from playing ball and animals from digging. If the plants you have in your garden have unique fertilizer requirements, discover out. Some plants like slow-release fertilizers, while others choose nitrogen-rich foods. Many like to be fertilized throughout the peak of their growing season. A little education will go a long method to enhancing your garden. When gardening is that an ideal method to rid your plants of aphids is to utilize tape, an excellent idea to think about. Because gathering aphids with a strip of tape is an inexpensive and fast method to eliminate them from your garden and keep your plants gorgeous, this is essential. You can utilize little clay pots or milk containers to secure your plants from a late-season frost. A bed sheet is likewise a reliable cover on shrubs or big locations. Usually, young sprouts are the most susceptible. You might be required to replant the crop if you forget or your efforts stop working. To eliminate the snails afflicting your garden, set an open container of beer on its side where you normally discover them. The snails will be drawn to the scent of the beer and trap themselves in the container. Attempt including a little bit of maker's yeast to the can if you'd like to make this trap even more reliable. In conclusion, garden enthusiasts approach their pastime from various viewpoints and various ability levels. Lots of them are simply beginning their gardening adventures. Others have actually been gardening for many years. Everybody has a chance to discover many experience. This is true, no matter how sophisticated they are. This video includes a few of the standards for this discovering procedure. Click on the link below for exquisite suggestions to learn more.